Welcome to Pete's world of poisonous plants, where the ordinary becomes the extraordinary, and where something as innocent as your fruit bowl might be hiding a darker truth. Take a look at this. Apples, pears, cherries, strawberries, the comforting staples of supermarkets, lunchboxes, and Sunday desserts. Sweet, juicy, harmless, or so it seems. The Rosaceae family, the rose family, is one of the most familiar plant families on Earth. It gives us some of the most loved foods in human history. Apples from ancient orchards, cherries cultivated for thousands of years, almonds, strawberries, raspberries, even the humble rose itself. But, like many powerful families, there's a darker side. Hidden within the seeds, pips, and stones of many Rosaceae plants is a chemical defense system, a compound known as amygdalin. On its own, it's relatively harmless. But when crushed, chewed, or digested, it breaks down into something far more sinister. Hydrogen cyanide. Yes, cyanide, the same fast-acting toxin infamous throughout history. Inside your body, cyanide interferes with your cell's ability to use oxygen. In simple terms, your cells begin to suffocate. Now, before you throw out your fruit bowl, let's stay grounded. If you accidentally swallow a few apple pips whole, nothing will happen. They pass straight through you. The danger comes when large amounts are crushed and consumed. You'd need to chew and eat a significant number of apple seeds to be at real risk. But here's where things shift. Not all members of this family are so forgiving. Take the almond, specifically bitter almonds. The wild ancestors of the sweet almonds we eat today. These contain much higher levels of amygdalin. Eat enough of them, and poisoning becomes very real very quickly. Or consider cherry stones, plum pits, and apricot kernels. Crack them open, chew them, and you're exposing yourself to cyanide release. And then we move away from the fruit aisle entirely. Meet cherry laurel, a common garden hedge across the UK. Neat, tidy, evergreen, and quietly toxic. The leaves of cherry laurel contain cyanogenic compounds similar to those found in seeds. Crush them, damage them, and they release hydrogen cyanide gas. There are recorded cases of people feeling dizzy or unwell simply from handling large quantities of cut foliage. In poorly ventilated areas, livestock poisoning has also occurred when animals graze on wilted leaves, because when the plant is damaged, that's when the toxins are released. The Rosaceae family also includes plants like hawthorn and rowan, generally safe in small amounts, but still chemically equipped with similar defensive compounds. Even birds interact with these plants differently. Many birds can eat the fruits and disperse the seeds without harm. They swallow them whole, bypassing the crushing that releases toxins. But mammals, including us, tend to chew, and that's where the risk begins. Historically, cyanide-containing plants have had a darker role too. From ancient poisonings to more modern toxicology cases, these compounds have long been recognized for their deadly potential. Yet, at the same time, they've also been explored in medicine, in tightly controlled doses. A reminder that in nature, the line between poison and medicine is often just dosage. So how do you stay safe? It's straightforward. Don't deliberately eat seeds, pits, or kernels from fruits like apples, cherries, or apricots. Be cautious when cutting large amounts of cherry, laurel, or similar hedging, especially in enclosed spaces. And never assume that natural automatically means harmless, because nature doesn't work like that. But here's the key takeaway. For most people, eating normal amounts of fruit is completely safe. You are not going to poison yourself by eating an apple. The Rosaceae family is a perfect example of nature's dual personality. Beautiful, nourishing, essential to human life, and quietly armed with chemical defenses that demand respect. So next time you bite into a crisp apple, just remember, even the sweetest things in nature can carry a hidden edge. If you've enjoyed this journey into the darker side of everyday plants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more.